Hi, my name's Stefan. Today I'm going to be speaking on how to make pictorial representations for middle school math. Now let's say, for example, we have the equation 3a equals 15. Okay, now to make a good pictorial representation for this, I'll draw out the line 15 here. And now I'll break 15 into 3 parts. And we have 1, 2, 3. And we have A, and A. From here to here. This is all equivalent to A. And now, when breaking this down, we know that 15 has 15 different parts. And we can see, since we broke 15 down into its 3 parts there, to get A, all we have to do is add the length of A. In A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have A is equivalent to 5. And this gives us our pictorial representation. This helps us solve the problem.